Dear colleague, welcome. It's Dr. Jack, and please join us for the Pass Machine Internal Medicine Board Review Semester Curriculum. Now, it starts on May 20th and it continues for 11 weeks. Now, if you already have the Pass Machine Internal Medicine Board Review course, then you have everything you need to participate in the semester curriculum. Just look in your course dashboard and then just follow along with the curriculum agenda that's located in the Additional Resources tab. And if you don't have the course, well then this is a very good time to get it because then you can join the rest of us in following this 11-week program. So what are the benefits of joining this semester curriculum? Well, it includes a launch module which includes some additional material like how to study for your exam and how to take your exam. And so therefore it gives additional content that was not included in the initial course. The benefit number two, it's very important, is that at any time you can ask questions of the faculty. All you have to do is in the study group associated with the course, just ask a question and we review the community comments and extract any questions and then send them to our faculty to respond to. So it's really becomes an interactive course. Benefit number three, I think knowing that hundreds of your fellow colleagues who are also preparing for their internal medicine board exam this year are participating, are watching the same lectures the same week as you are, I think is really motivating. It gets lonely and draining to study for the board exam. The internal medicine board exam is one of the broadest exam covering the broadest area of medical knowledge out of any exam among the board specialties. So it's a lot of material to get through, and I think it's really in a way comforting to know that you're not in it alone, that everyone else, hundreds of other people, are doing exactly what you're doing. And of course you can communicate with them through the study group and even communicate with the faculty who will answer your questions. And then the fourth benefit is, I think having this curriculum really decreases the uncertainty and the sense of overwhelm. All you have to do is every week follow the curriculum, follow the lectures of that module until you're done. So I think it makes things a little bit more pleasant, I think a little bit more consistent, and I think really will motivate you to get more studying done. And after all, really that's the bottom line, to be prepared for the exam is to devote more time to it. So please join us. May 20th begins. Now if you happen to be listening to me after May 20th, that's okay, you can still catch up. It's an 11-week program. This is Dr. Jack signing off. All the best on your internal medicine exam. Thank you.